Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Kaylee Kincaid and this is my channel all about eco-friendly cleaning, organizing, beauty, health, wellness, food, lifestyle, all that sort of stuff. And this video is about how to clean your stainless steel properly. So if that interests you, stick around. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment. Please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel if you so choose. I would be so grateful, and that helps support me to keep bringing you content like this. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to show you two different stainless steel techniques today, you guys, because there are different types of stainless steel appliances. For example, ours is the kind that doesn't leave any streaks or fingerprints, it's just that newer kind of stainless steel that they made that doesn't actually have streaks, and so it's a lot easier to clean. Solly, sit down, I'm doing a video. Whereas there's that other type of stainless steel that actually does leave streaks and you actually have to clean with a stainless steel cleaner. Solly, go lay down. Anyway, I'm not an appliance person. I don't know what the difference is between these. I feel like they're both stainless steel. But why would you not just get the kind that doesn't streak? You know what I mean? Anyway, so for this kind of stainless steel, and forgive our old beat up fridge, we're just waiting to get a new one. This came with the house. You can just take your all-purpose cleaner. This one's just a tiny bit of Dr. Bronner Suds and the rest is water. I think I also put a few drops of lemon essential oil in this. If you want more ideas of all-purpose cleaners, I will link a video in the description of our cleaners. With this one though, you can just spray down your stainless steel and then take a dry microfiber rag, dry being the key word, and take one side of it and go top to bottom, wiping down your area. If there's still spray left, you can turn to another dry side of your rag and really just buff it out. And you do that to your entire surface, and that's as easy as it is to clean this sort of stainless steel. Okay, and then for the streaky kind of stainless steel, which we'll have to pretend because this is also not that. But for the streaky kind of stainless steel, we use these stainless steel wipes. Now these are not 100% eco-friendly, but I like to think these are a little bit more eco-friendly than a spray because it's not really getting the chemicals as much into the air, and they're wipes, and you can reuse these wipes a few times, especially if you keep up on cleaning your stainless steel. So you just take a wipe. By the way, I'll have these linked in the description. But anyway, you just take a wipe and you wipe down your stainless steel. You actually don't even need to really wipe, just get some of the product on there, put your wipe back in the bottle, and then you take a dry microfiber rag, completely dry, clean, and I just take one side and I do one wipe down the entire appliance, just with the grain of the stainless steel, which means you can see most of them go horizontal like this. So go with the grain, wipe with the grain, and then if you have streaks or spots anywhere, you can just work on them like that. And then I like to take another dry side and make sure it's dry and go in circular motions, buffing out all of the streaks. And then you can keep turning your rag to a dry side and buffing in circular motions to get out all the streaks until it looks like a perfectly smooth stainless steel surface. But my real recommendation would be just to get this non-fingerprint kind, okay? Check it in the store before you get it, but if you already have the streaky kind, then here's how to clean it. I hope you enjoyed that video today, guys, and learned a few new techniques. If you're interested in seeing more, check out some more of the videos on my channel, but you can also follow me on Instagram. That will be in the description of this video or on this end screen coming up. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and happy cleaning.